Atlantis. The name stirs something deep within us, a legend whispered across millennia, a tale of a magnificent city swallowed by the sea, gone but never forgotten. What happened to this advanced civilization? Why did it vanish? These questions echo through history, pulling us into the mystery. Imagine a city of dazzling beauty and knowledge. Its people, wise and powerful, masters of science and art. Their ships sailed far, exploring the known world. Theirs was a civilization at its peak. But the ocean, in its vastness, holds secrets, and the story of Atlantis is a reminder that even the greatest empires can fall. Our journey begins in ancient Greece, a land of myth and legend, where the whispers of the past still echo through the ruins. The philosopher Plato first wrote of Atlantis over 2,000 years ago, capturing the imagination of generations to come. His dialogues, Timaeus and Critias, tell of a powerful island kingdom that once existed in the distant past. Atlantis, he wrote, existed 9,000 years before his time, a civilization shrouded in mystery and wonder. It was a land of fertile plains, surrounded by concentric rings of water and land, a marvel of natural and man-made beauty. Plato described Atlanteans as a noble and advanced race, possessing wisdom and technology far beyond their contemporaries. They built magnificent temples, palaces, and canals, showcasing their architectural prowess and engineering skills. They possessed weapons and technology unknown to his time, hinting at a civilization that was both powerful and innovative. But their pride, Plato warned, led to their downfall, a cautionary tale of hubris and its consequences. They became greedy, seeking to conquer the world, their ambitions growing as vast as their empire. The gods, angered by their hubris, unleashed a cataclysmic event, a divine retribution for their overreach. Earthquakes and floods ravaged Atlantis, sinking it beneath the waves in a single day and night, leaving only whispers of its existence in the annals of history. Could Atlantis be real? The question has captivated historians, archaeologists, and explorers for centuries. Some believe Plato's story is a cautionary tale, a warning against the dangers of unchecked ambition. Others see it as a historical account, perhaps distorted over time. If Atlantis existed, where could it be? Theories abound, each more tantalizing than the last. Some point to the Azores, islands in the Atlantic Ocean. Their volcanic origins hint at a turbulent past. Others propose Santorini, a Greek island devastated by a volcanic eruption in the 16th century BC. The destruction there echoes Plato's descriptions. Section 4. Searching for Shadows. The search for Atlantis has taken us from the depths of the Mediterranean Sea to the icy waters of the Atlantic. Marine archaeologists have discovered shipwrecks in ancient cities, remnants of past civilizations lost to time. But none have yet matched the grandeur and sophistication described by Plato. Advanced technologies like sonar and underwater robots allow us to explore the ocean floor like never before. We can map underwater structures, search for artifacts, and piece together clues from the distant past. Every expedition, every discovery brings us closer to understanding the secrets hidden beneath the waves. Section 5. Echoes in the Deep. While we haven't found definitive proof of Atlantis, tantalizing discoveries fuel our imaginations. The allure of the unknown drives explorers and scientists alike to dive into the depths of our oceans, searching for clues that might reveal ancient secrets. Off the coast of Bimini in the Bahamas, divers found a series of submerged stone formations known as the Bimini Road. These formations have intrigued researchers for decades, sparking numerous theories about their origin and purpose. These rectangular blocks, seemingly cut and arranged by human hands, have sparked debate about their origin. Some believe they are remnants of an ancient civilization, while others argue they are natural formations shaped by geological processes. Could this be a road leading to the lost city? The idea captivates the imagination, suggesting a connection to the legendary Atlantis. Or is it a natural formation? The mystery remains unsolved. Despite numerous expeditions and studies, no definitive conclusion has been reached, leaving the Bimini Road shrouded in mystery. In the Sea of Crete, archaeologists discovered the Minoan civilization, a Bronze Age culture with advanced shipbuilding and trade networks. Their sophisticated society thrived for centuries, leaving behind impressive ruins and artifacts. While not Atlantis, their sudden disappearance after a volcanic eruption on Santorini adds to the intrigue. the cataclysmic event wiped out much of their civilization, leading some to draw parallels with the story of Atlantis. The search for answers continues as the echoes in the deep call out to us, urging us to uncover the secrets of our past. Section 6. Building Dreams Underwater. Imagine a future where we could rebuild Atlantis, not as a replica of a lost city, but as a testament to human ingenuity. Advances in underwater construction, renewable energy, and sustainable living make this dream more attainable than ever before. We could build underwater habitats, powered by ocean currents and solar energy. We could cultivate underwater farms, harvesting food from the sea. We could create research centers, studying marine life and unlocking the secrets of the ocean depths. Section 7. A city for the future. Imagine a city beneath the waves, bathed in the ethereal glow of bioluminescent life. Picture a place where the ocean's mysteries are not just observed but embraced, where the deep blue waters are home to both humans and marine creatures. This is not a distant dream, but a vision of what our future could hold. A city where humans live in harmony with the ocean, not as conquerors but as stewards. Here, the boundaries between land and sea blur, creating a seamless coexistence. Families stroll through transparent tunnels, marveling at the vibrant marine life that surrounds them. A city where science and technology are used to protect and preserve our planet. In state-of-the-art laboratories, scientists work tirelessly to unlock the secrets of the ocean, developing innovations that ensure the sustainability of our underwater habitats. This is the promise of Atlantis rebuilt, a city that rises from the depths, combining ancient wisdom with futuristic design. It stands as a testament to human ingenuity and resilience, not just a city of the past, but a beacon of hope for the future. It symbolizes our ability to learn from history while forging a path forward. The blend of ancient ruins and cutting